Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa has actually my wife's friend is coming over from Denmark. So I'm making some simple home-cooked dinner for them. I already made a curry chicken for them. This is the second dish. I'm going to fry this. Is a beautiful siakap fish. It's a 5 kg, taken out for the 5 kg wild siakap. You must try wild siakap above 3 kg. It is super. The meat is very sweet, and if you deep fry it, the skin will turn out to be like keropok, very crispy, very fragrant. You must really try. But only wild siakap, yeah? And it is not expensive at all. I think 1 kg, maybe 40 or 50 ringgit per kg. Okay, so I washed the cutlet here and sprinkled it with a little bit of salt on the surface. Then after that, I'm going to make a very simple salad to go with the fried fish together. I have some green apple here, some shallot, a bit of chili, and some coriander, and also lime juice. So first of all, you want to get ready some oil in the wok or pot, and make sure you bring the oil temperature until it starts to smoke. Yeah, this is what we call smoking point, and that is at least 180 degrees Celsius and above. Once you reaches that temperature, you can use something long, a long ladder to help you to put in the fish. Of course, you always remember to wipe dry the fish before you put it in, yeah? I did not wipe it very dry just now. That's why you see some splattering. Very bad example. Sometimes Appa is just plain lazy. But anyhow, after you put in the fish, you can actually let it fry on the first side for at least about close to 2 minutes before you flip it over. Do not flip your fish too many times. So this is after approximately 2 minutes. I did not touch it at all. Now we can slowly push it a bit. See, it doesn't stick. Of course, I'm using a non-stick here, but non-stick can also stick. You have to just be careful. Right. So next thing, I'm going to carefully flip it over. Oops, it sticks to my ladder. I thought I actually take out a spoon instead. Never mind. So I'll give another side another 2 minutes as well. Alright, I have gave another side another 2 minutes plus. You're going to flip it one more round. Perhaps the last round. Right, this is the kind of beautiful color I'm looking for. So I will give the first side another about 1 minute plus, then it is done. So total frying fish time plus minus about 6 minutes. 6-7 minutes, the most. And throughout the whole process, I'm using medium to high heat, yeah? I see a lot of smoke just now, so I actually reduce the heat a little bit. And this part is a little bit still whitish. I'm going to give it one last round. Wow, look at the beautiful golden color. And meanwhile, I'll be preparing oil absorbing paper at the side. It's almost done. Let's quickly make our very simple, very appetizing salad. I have some apple here. Actually, the best is to keep the apple in water. Then it will not, oxidize too easily. A bit of chili and also fried shallot. A bit of fresh coriander. Our lime juice, this is taken out from about 2 lime. Lime is the bigger calamansi, but green color one, smaller than lemon, yeah? And we're going to give it some sugar. And the saltiness will come from fish sauce. Get a premium fish sauce. This is a premium fish sauce from Vietnam. And next thing, we just mix everything up. There's no rule as to how you can make this. You can add in some mango as well, or you can use green papaya. I like to use green apple because I like green apple myself. Alright. Of course, for those who like a little bit more spiciness, you can put in some chili padi. But basically, our salad is done. Right, so here's our very simple dinner tonight. Deep fried wild barramundi fish cutlet and with some sourish green apple salad. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.